हांव तुमचे मोकेद आलिसन डिसोजा सब्सक्राइब ಮಾಡಿ ಜಾಲಿ ಡೋಯ್ ರಾಗೋಸು ಮೋಗಸು. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alison D'Souza and in 1 month it's my birthday, and right now I'm 22 years old. I'm turning 23. So I've taken an oath to not eat any sugar, like literally zero sugar. When it's 2 days my Diwali, and then my other friend's birthday, my sister's birthday, everything is coming up, but no sugar till my birthday. The next sugar in my mouth, like anything sugary, is gonna be my own birthday cake, because I look like this right now. I don't know, I'll put how my body looks right now, and I feel it's the most unhealthy it's ever been, because I have just been eating a lot of junk and bed rotting for very long time. I do go out for runs and workouts, but it's like twice in a week, and I think it's time to reduce that weight. And yeah, no sugar, as much as possible, no junk, and daily workout, getting that ass out of bed every single day for next 30 days, because my 22-year-old self deserves this. So I'll come back. I'm going for a small run. I'll come back and tell you my entire story of why and this, that, my entire weight loss thought and journey. So yeah, let's get started. It's literally 6:30, so you'll not me seem excited as that I am usual. I'll go for a run, adrenaline will kick in, and then I'll be all excited, and everybody's sleeping at home. It's like 6:20, 6:30. So yeah, this is Ali Motivates to you guys. This is my weight loss journey. Oh wait, and this is how much I weigh on 17th of October 2025 morning. I weigh right now 71.05, which is my max ever in my life. I have been once before 69, and I had reached 72 actually some 20 days ago. So we are starting at 71.05. Okay, let's get into it. Firstly, I'll be dividing this video into why, my past, and why now. Like, why am I making this? So, firstly, I'll tell the purpose of this long format story time. So, my birthday, as I told, is in 30 days, and I want to look the best on my birthday, which I will. But it just hit me that, if not for my birthday, at least for, by December, by Christmas and New Year, I want to look good. And secondly, all the clothes that I've bought, I always buy smaller size as a motivation. So I am not fitting into this, so let me reduce weight when I know it's not fitting. But the thing is, it happened that the clothes I bought in March and last year, Jan and everything, and I had events to go to, and I'm like, oh, I'm not fitting into this. Like, these are some of my best favorite clothes, and I'm not fitting into it. And it's like people keep telling me that, I'm getting fat, I'm good, I have to lose the weight, I have to lose the weight. And it's just that I know you don't have to tell me that, I'm getting fat and I'm gaining weight and I have to lose it. You think I don't see myself in the mirror and I don't know that? You think I don't understand that when I'm not fitting into my clothes? You think I'm so stupid that I don't know that I'm gaining weight? I know it. Stop telling people that they're gained weight. You don't have to. They know it by themselves, they can see themselves. Okay, so it's been going on for a very long time, and this is my highest weight I've ever reached. Last was when I fractured my legs, both legs actually. So, generally I was sitting in my bed and only eating food and sugar. I turned to sugar for, for for comfort, and then that's how, like, I gained weight. But this time it's just because of my pure laziness and turning to food for comfort, especially sugar. So 30 days, 31 days, I guess, no sugar. But I did take a little sugar today morning with tea. I will cut that down too. and then as much as possible no junk. My friends' birthdays are coming, my own sister's birthday is coming, there's so much coming up, Diwali is coming up, but still no sugar. And the thing is, I'm putting out this video so people will know that I've told the general public that I'm not going to do it. So at least as an accountability, this video is there that I'm not going to eat sugar. So first is why is done. Okay, let me get back to my diary. So yeah, that's why. This is why I'm doing this video. Now, to going to my past, I have been people have been telling me I'm fat ever since I was in 8th standard, 9th standard. And I don't think a kid who's 13 needs to hear that. They don't know that they're fat. So these are all my books of, I have a one book per year, which is like a goal book and a to-do book. These are all of them. And this is the first ever one where after watching the movie Ek Villain, I had made this. So this is what it reads. It's in front cam. I'll read out to you all. Uh, Defeat is not when you fall. Oh my god, a light. This is what it reads. Defeat is not when you fall down, it is when you refuse to wake up. And this is my dream book. When I was, I think, I don't know, when did that movie come out? I think when I was 13, I made this. There are multiple, I want to be a singer and I want to show you all. But, you know, I had I got my first periods when I was in 8th standard. So after that there was a lot of changes in my hormones. Until then people used to tease me for being thin, like chatte and istri or whatever, like flat and that stuff. I got bullied for that. And then I hit puberty, and then my body just kept growing, and body had a lot of hormonal imbalance, and I have kind of that thing that you tell, no, sugar ka something, where there is skin tax, and I'm not very comfortable. That's why I don't wear much sleeveless. I only wear sleeveless if I don't have to lift my hand in that occasion, because I have pigmentation here, neck. People have literally bullied me coming and is like, oh, where did you go to play kusti? There's so much dirt in your neck, when it's just like, my pigmentation. I can see it's like, yeah. So that's why I was pissed when I cut my hair, because I couldn't cover it anymore. So I it's always covered basically, just very little things for people. And I have skin tags also, so that's called insulin resistance. I have that too. So yeah, this is the book going back to um when I was 13 something. And I don't think a child needs to be told you're fat at that age. And I don't even think I was fat. I was just maybe bigger than the kids, or bigger than my sister. And people around me kept telling, you're fat, you're fat, you're fat. So I made multiple dreams here. So slim. That time I don't know what is weight loss at all. I just knew slim is the thing. So as I was before, slim and fit. बोले तो एकदम झकास. I need to really hard work for this. Just gym is not enough. To be slim, a lot of dedication is needed. You can do this, Allison. So like I was called Leona back then. That's my first name, but I always like the name Allison. So it started with writing my own name in the book, in my diaries, that Allison. So I get used to the name. So here it goes. I have that, in that Ek Villain movie, there's before that picture of what you have achieved after that. So this made a little corner for that. And Slim Bano Leo, before after Wali pick, there will be no one calling me Moti, Boddi, Hasti. Hasti is the elephant in Konkani. So I used to be called Moti, Boddi, and Hasti. So there will be no one calling me Moti, Boddi, Hasti. Hasti is full of love. Still, I'll be known for change, because my friends used to call Hasti with love. But I was like, but still, I want to be known for change. Next is change is sudden. Change of sudden fat to slim. Very true to have written. Change of sudden fat to slim. And this here, it's nothing important. To be imaginary kudre to real slim wali fit kudre. Kudre means horse. So I was like, to be, people call me kudre because I'm just like just written to be from imaginary kudre to real wali kudre. And I read these books and it just makes me so emotional. Why 13-year-old Allison had to go through this to be called fat. This goes to then my book from another book, dream book from when I was in 10th. This is, I think, ninth or 8th. This is 10th standard. And there are a lot of goals. Like I had written 30 goals of my life, and here I have, here again, can I want to show everything. It's like be slim. It's written over here. Be slim. I had weird goals here. I had like I'll read one of them. I don't have storage. I need to be fast. So one of the dream I had written is those children found on the road, give them education and all the other rights that they deserve. I'm irrational like that. And there are other many goals. Okay, this book is from 2020, and I was in love with Shivam Dubey. Oh God, I hate that I don't have storage half the time. Okay, so this is when I was in love with Shivam Dubey. Cricket is life, life is cricket. So this, I loved this book. Okay, and because it has like a lot of things. So first thing here was my timetable of like exam. I was writing board exams. So somewhere here I have again written get fit, get fit, and then I put a cross mark on it because I did not get fit again. Then I'm so sorry, I forgot a major bit of my life when I was editing the video that I saw. The thing is, in 2021, I was the thinnest actually. This is a part of my past story. So in 2021, I was very busy with life, and I reduced a lot of weight because I was not eating meals properly. It just happened because I was busy. And then I started getting so many compliments that, oh my God, you look so thin, you look so fair, and blah blah. So I turned into a little bit anorexic. I can say I was having, that's a big word to use, but I found pleasure in not having food because in turn I knew that if I don't eat, then I'll not gain weight. So I'll people will accept me and I'll be perceived as good looking and hot and everything. So I used to drink a tea in the morning, and then like evening maybe 5 o'clock I'll have a puffs or something. In the whole day I'll not have anything. Maybe at night I will have food, I'll not have food. Like I don't nice to have been on snacks or. And this went on for quite a bit, a lot of months, and then I got very sick. I fell sick for good amount of time, and I had stomach ulcers, which doctor told if I had been a little late, it would be a big complication. And yeah, that's when I made my mind. I'm never gonna. And that's when I realized that, oh, like I didn't know anorexia is a thing that time. Like I when I read about it, I was like, oh, that was me. Oh, I'm like, that was me. I was so happy that I'm skipping food and I'm not eating because I'm becoming thin. Food is my problem. I'm not eating now. So yeah, that was a big part of my story. Let's continue. Then comes another book of 2021, I guess, where I've written get fit again, didn't get fit. Then yeah, so many memories from when I was like 14, 12, 13 something to till now. And comes to my vision board of last year and this year. This year I made a physical one. So this is my vision board where I'm like, oh, 50 kilos goal weight. I have to move every day and glow up. This is my glow up era, and I'm gonna like full workout and everything. Basically, yeah, my life has revolved around weight loss, weight loss, weight loss from when I was a teenager, and why am I doing this is not because of that. And I never listened to people. I always got a lot from people to lose weight, lose weight, lose weight. But this time I'm doing this for me. Teenager Leona Allison D'Souza wanted always to be fit, and I deserve to give that baby a fit body at least once in her lifetime. And I couldn't do it at 22nd birthday, which is my favorite. I hate turning 23. 23 is a yuck number. It's indivisible. You have real responsibility and this, that, and all. I don't want to turn 23. I'm so angry about it. But I'm at least going to do something, and that's why current also went. Okay, and that's why I'm taking up this challenge for me, because young Allison deserves this. She deserves a fit Allison, Leona, whatever. Young Leona deserves a fit Allison. Understood? Because after I grew older, I changed my name from Leona to Allison. Like for people at least, I'm still Leona Allison. Did you understand? Did you understand what I'm saying? Basically, I'm running out of storage, and this is what this journey is about. I hope you guys stay tuned. I'm weighing right now 71.05, and I'm hoping at least to reduce like 2 kg before my birthday. At least let me like have a goal to not do something and cut sugar and stuff. So let's see. Baby Allison deserves this, I guess. She didn't have to go through what she went through. And yeah. Okay, I'm tearing up now. Okay, bye. Bye.
ಬಲೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ completely ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತನೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್